We installed the blue top power steering gearbox in our 2007 Silverado Classic back when we were in California. Now we are in North Dakota, 1,700 miles later. What do we think about it?
Welcome back to Roadsteading. Ben and Lauren here, and today we want to talk about the blue top steering gear that we put in our Chevy Silverado.
This is not a sponsored video.
It has made a huge difference.
A huge difference.
It's been amazing.
Amazing.
Now, I had huge expectations for this steering gear because of the amount of money that this part costs, but I had no idea how immediate the change was going to be and what a difference it was going to make in our steering.
We need the preferences. Back in season 9, we switched out our power steering gearbox with a remanufactured one. We needed it. We could only get a remanufactured one, and I wasn't too up to par on remanufactured parts for light diesel trucks. And well, we have learned a huge expensive mistake with buying remanufactured parts for light duty diesel trucks.
Yes, we have had several failures or very short life on those remanufactured parts, which are not inexpensive either. So if you replace them twice, we could have just bought this part initially.
Yes. Was it last season? Season 11, 2 seasons ago.
2 seasons ago.
We broke down many times, and we ended up at a performance shop in Kentucky where the owner told us, don't buy remanufactured parts. We replaced remanufactured parts that we had just put on the truck while we were at his shop. And we still have one remanufactured part left that we want to change out soon before it ultimately fails. But get OEM or a good quality part for your light diesel truck. Now, the steering gearbox, the blue top, I believe is remanufactured, but it's a much smaller company, and they're based here in North Dakota. So we thought if we put it in and we have any issues, well, we're driving right back to where they build these parts or remanufacture these parts. But they also modify the casing. They put a little bit more bearings. That's not right. They true it up better. Their tolerance for their parts are tighter than other companies, and I believe they put some extra bearings in there, so it does help quite a bit. It's a higher quality rebuild, and it's an American company. We want to support small American companies. So blue top in North Dakota, I think it's a win. 1,700 miles later, and we're still driving strong.
And ordering from Blue Top was a very easy experience. We ordered the part online, the appropriate part for our truck, and there is a core charge. So in order to get the refund for the core, you need to send that old core back. We were able to order a return shipping label, which came with the brand new part. Once we were done installing the brand new part, we took the old part, packaged it back in the same packaging the new part came in with all of the packing material, put the shipping label on it, and dropped it off at a UPS store. It was a very easy experience.